Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na na Boozhoo. Went to a dance looking for romance. Saw Nana Boozhoo, so I thought I'd take a chance. Oh Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Nana Boozhoo, you're all about Ojibwe language and culture. Nana Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Nana Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo. Na 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 Boozhoo, na na Boozhoo. Oh, that was really good. That should be our new theme song, eh? I couldn't agree more, boss.
Oh, that was really good. You guys are really good singers. Hey, Boozhoo, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and today our Ojibwe word of the day, Gitojigan, guitar. Gitojigan. You should all go learn to play the guitar. If you learn to play the guitar, you'll never be bored. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Yeah, that's true.
And so if you want to learn to play guitar, you say Madweya Bijigan. Madweya Bijigan. Play guitar. But then if you want to say let's play guitar, you say Madweya Bijigan da. You just add da. Means let's. Madweya Bijigan da. Hey, Weenie Mushane.
Yeah, what? What do you want?
Madweya Bijigan da.
Oh, you got it, sweetie.
And you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa. Hoa!